Vaffanculo.
Pick something out of the fridge.
Tu es un cornichon. Gherkin.
I fucking love gherkins, they're amazing. So that's the amount of space between.
Can't go either side of it.
Oh right, okay. Brilliant.
Are you filming? I'll take that as a yes.
You're not feeling very well.
Not feel right now.
Oh no.
So here we are, where are we going?
Lampard.
Lampard, the crew are tight. We've got Hawkeye, spotting the boys first time. We've got Spoon Eyes, he does the morning watch.
Dolphin!
Where? Dolphin! Went under. Yeah, real close. Is he down the bow?
It's great stuff.
Nice tree.
Do you know what they do? They do tricks where they splash you. If one comes up and lets you pet them and the other one splashes. You rock! See your hand back.